All right, guys. Welcome back to such an amazing session. And, as you can see, we have on the chart here BTC dominance, and this is going to be showing us the direction of the market. So we're going to use this as a metric to determine where the market is most likely going to head to. All right, so we're on the daily time frame, BTC dominance. Now, what the BTC dominance does is that it shows us in clear details how much worth of BTC is in circulation against altcoins. Now, the if the circulation of BTC is more, it means BTC will be more valued than altcoins, meaning investors have more propensity to buy into BTC than altcoins. As you can see right here, we have about 54.77% worth of Bitcoin against altcoins. Can you see it? This right here, 54.77%. So in the entire crypto market, 54%, or rather approximately 55%, is Bitcoin, and the rest obviously is altcoins, including stable coins, right? So yeah, that is it. So how do we use this information to make critical decisions concerning where we should be buying into? Now, most of the time, right? Most of the time, when we start seeing this happen, when we start seeing a negative fall in the price of BTC dominance, and then we eventually start seeing the price of Bitcoin actually showing us some bullish sentiment, it means that money is going to be moving out of stable coins back into BTC and altcoins. And when this happens, altcoins are going to what? Move faster than Bitcoin. I'm going to just show you BTC chart. Just going to show you BTC chart. So this is BTC chart. This is a typical accumulation. All right, typical accumulation. Look at the point here. Got the first touch, second touch, third touch. We came down, we've capitulated. Weak holders have been knocked out of the market. Weak holders who were not patient enough, they've been knocked out of the market. As you can see, price of Bitcoin is going to what? Rally up to the upside. It's going to rally up to this point here. I'm in this trade currently, and I'm up with about 200%. Gave this trade to my live community and to my VIP community, and everyone is in profit actually. So I'll be taking my profit from here, and that should be about 1,600% at about 72K. All right, so basically that's just it. Now, but that's not why we're here. We want to know how we can take advantage of the current scenario right now. What is going on actually? Now, let's look at Total 2. Let's look at Total 2. Total 2 basically shows us, it shows us the crypto total market cap excluding BTC alone. So we're just excluding Bitcoin out of the equation. So this means that every other crypto asset excluding BTC, this is the chart, this is the valuation. All right, this is the valuation. So we have Ethereum in here, we have BNB, we have USDT, we have basically everything in here, and you can see the valuation is about 1.062 trillion US dollars. So, but basically, if we are saying we're excluding BTC, then we also need to exclude Ethereum. So we'll have to go to Total 3 because Ethereum is the biggest altcoin next to BTC. You can see Total 3 is showing us that we have bullish sentiment, while the BTC dominance is already showing us we have a bearish sentiment. So Total 3, bullish sentiment, are trading upwards. Let's go to 4-hour time frame now so that you can see what we're saying. You can see this is a clear bullish sentiment. Can you see this? I made this analysis some time ago. I think that was 2 days ago or so. And price just broke out and ready to pump. So while this is moving forward, as a trader, your primary concern right now is to take advantage of altcoins. So you should be trading altcoins right now. That is what you should be doing, trading altcoins. You can go into BTC. BTC is going to move, but altcoins are going to move faster. So you get more money trading altcoins now. But which altcoins are we going to be looking at? Let's talk about high caps. We're going to be looking at Ethereum, ETH. We're going to be looking at ETH. We're going to be looking at BNB. I'm going to be looking at Matic, because the cycle is very easy. The cycle is that when money starts flowing into altcoins, look at Matic. Matic is going to explode any moment from now. I gave this signal some time ago. It's going to explode massively. It's going to explode up to this point. It's going to explode up to this point. So let's see how many percentage gains we can get. We can get as high as where it is now, 22%. On leverage with about 50x, you know what that means. Crazy. This is TP1, no, TP3 to get as high as this point. It's going to get as high as this point. It's going to get as high as this point, obviously. So you should be thinking about a 70% gain, 65. Okay, 65, which is not bad. In like, let's say, in a month time, because the alt season has just started now. So, but basically, yeah, high caps, these are what you should be trading into right now. High caps. High caps. So you want to know high caps, you just go to your coin market cap. Go to your coin market cap and you can just see the first 20 coins are usually your high caps. First 20 coins, or let's say the first 25 are usually coins with high caps. All right, so basically, I'm going to just come here and trade all these guys. Solana, XRP, Cardano, Shiba Inu, Avalanche, Polkadot, Tron, BCH, Chainlink, ICP, Internet Computer Protocol, Internet Computer, LTC, and then you have your mid caps, talking about WIF, MNT, STX, Stacks, Filecoin, Immutable IMX, Stellar, Optimism, Arbitrum, SUI, Casper, Injective, and so on and so forth. These are like mid caps, right? These are mid caps. Then you can scale down again to let's see, anything below these guys. Oh, sorry. You can scale down to the second page. You can scale down. You can see audio. So these are mid caps. All of these are mid caps. Mid caps, mid caps, mid caps. They usually have trading volume is usually not high. Now I like what the market is doing right now. Like I like this frontier. I like this a lot. So we're actually on a neutral ground. Fear and greed index is neutral. Right. So this means that altcoins are going to pump because it's just the beginning of a new season. It's the beginning of a new alt season because we are neutral, meaning buyers are just stepping in. They've not accumulated, we're not at the distribution level now, and accumulation is just starting. Right. So we're neutral. So I love this a lot. This is a good sign. So back to what we're doing. So yeah, altcoins trade high caps, get profit. But that doesn't mean if you see low caps that fit into your technicals, you're not going to trade them. I also trade them. But I'm just giving you a lowdown of what usually goes behind the scenes, right? So you can actually just take advantage of them. So, but Matic, I like that. I like that. Let me check AVAX too. I want to check AVAX if there's actually a good entry. It's actually a very good entry for us. This is 4-hour time frame. Let's go to 15 minutes. I like the 15 minutes so much. So much. Okay, we're already trending upwards. There was an accumulation here. Hope you can see this. Typical accumulation. So let's wait for price to come down to maybe a discount level. Use our Fibonacci. So this level is prime. This level is going to be a prime level. So I'll be watching out for this level. If we see any good price reaction from here, do we have anything here? Obviously, we have some fair value gaps that have not been filled. So it's a trending market, so you're safe. So we have a fair value gap already here, established. So I have a fair value gap here already established. I'm just going to call this FVG. So FVG is already here. So let's wait and see how price fills this gap, and let's know if I'm going to move from here, right? I'm going to move from here. Let's see. Let's find out. Let's see the price reaction that will come out from there. You see, in the game of trading, right, you just have to be very patient. Let's see if we're going to get something like this back here. I want to watch out for this schematic. I'm patiently waiting. Oshamu. Let's go, guys. But anyways, this is the end of this video. If you want to join the VIP group, you want to make your trading career look very seamless, click on the description of this video. It's going to be pinned on the comment section under this video. You can join the mentorship platform. You can join the Signal group, all at an affordable fees, right? So that's the way it is. One love, guys. One love, one love, one love.